So the next symbol I'm going to talk about is the famous dragon. So I'll do this in a minute again. Right, so this is probably the most famous symbol in Wales, and it's also the oldest, I would say. The idea and the concept of a dragon probably came to Wales and Britain through the Romans. And it's been used in Wales as a symbol for centuries and centuries. It was used by the King of Gwynedd, Cadwaladr, and it's featured really prominently in Welsh mythology and folklore. My favourite, I think, is the feature of the dragon in Merlin's prophecy from the 12th century. And he talks about a white dragon and a red dragon sleeping, and they both wake up and start fighting. The red dragon is meant to symbolise Wales, and the white dragon was meant to symbolise England. And that's again all I can say, as my time has run out. So that's a really short history on the dragon in Wales.